Uba Ronnie Wheelingdo udah UMLA Akseng Kongres na Kamaliam constituency. Bad bersya kata uladan setang marway kumu UMLA Akseng Kongres hadian ba kini ki MLA Glamino na kaseng tang hadian kato kanya benai ba kila job election MLA. Uba Ronnie Wheelingdo ula IT ke CT in okam kumud khot ke Kongres hau lampang geng dorbar tauan gejelau Thomas E. Sangma. Hakabalay dan lang usumbut menteri rang ba kejelau ba senyaw pelangdar, UMLA berim kemeliam uba Hamnet Son Doling, manunong ilam ke NPP uba Daniel M. Tangkio bat kiwe-kiwe. Kani kejing dan lang kihe keseng NPP ha kejing senran ya uba Ronnie Wheelingdo, man IT ke CT in okam, kapau syai ba uba Ronnie Wheelingdo un pineso ono ba keseng NPP. Kumalalit pineso kisnem kibalalit di ki MLA keseng Kongres, kibakentop UMLA ke Sening Dr. Celestine Lingdo, MLA Kenong Stone uba Gabriel Walang, bat MLA Kamuhati uba Charles Margar.
Jing dawa junga kalong bet ba ka constituency kan yo development ka roi ka par no ka puli puthi kumba mundi ka lunti kesengkian ka kunta bobon ki jing dawa pej menta kum ko police station ngim don kum ka veterinary hospital ngim don te kita ki bangin sekren pan hadian no ndai ngalarung klam don kanu penuh ka don ba di benlek menta di kam menta kanu ka rai ka bangin shim ngide ban shim sha ya ka jing menjur jongki paita ki kadai kata ba pilapet menta na trai ki katne ki nong ya lam jonga kiwan bat kini de tang sau sanut na kawai ka shino de hnai da phi ong ban wan lam not bar khit de ki hajar de ki hajar ki non de hadin ba nila ya keren bat ki makiru kila karpat na ba nanta kabit ka biang jong constituency rungno syakan ka se de tang kata
yung iba mo kung performance lang kami ke NBA 2 na sa Arsenal siya.
Ki dangaped nga i kamba ka Roy Kapar kawan hatene ka NBA 2 no suay nuk sa kumangi sa tay layos mo karen po assembly ya ka 4 lane ya ka western bypass ang ta ka kani ka PHC po tulong mo itna ang ta ki Roy Kapar ki wan tengi don hangni ban sakri pa ba am pai ba ka jing don kam jong pai ba kat bala mangila ban pagya ngam ngamla ban ong ba nangan le kunta manum le kunta mangi song pai ba ni song ka parti telada ka parti ka smo ibet panaya ka piang nada ka smo ibet pat panai ya ba hamne yeno ka piang dai kalong ba mentang idon ka ba Arsenal siteng ban pai ba ni penbiang ka jing dawa ka jing kam jong pai ba ka political party ka don kapor ba ka kiyo ka don kapor ba ka hiya lesya menta ka di kapor ba Congress party ka dang hiya te hindray kum ka political party ka mod ka ni habbo shwa ya ki pai ba kama ne kamot hoy lada ka party kam don ban a ka jing sekri pai ba kam don jumot maso halor itai nomren asim ka ni karai rengkap ini gunung kersan jong akiwan hang bar khoi ta ka jing kemen batay maki kepala ong yang ba ngilay ngilamun panong ya kirum kam mensua tamuki ong ibnur makapat lay la daday bakim kersan yang kim ya hap bakane ka jing ya sno janga ber National People's Party ni NPP kinuman apa kilara man nakalamayong na kani.
I have received the letter of resignation from the opposition chief whip from Ronnie Wheelingdo yesterday, and today I have also received his desire to merge with the National People's Party, and he has submitted the letter to me. I have gone through it with the help of my staff and the legal advisors, the law officers which is attached to me, and with their assistance I have found the letter submitted by Ronnie Wheelingdo as valid and satisfies all the criteria laid under the 10th schedule of the Indian Constitution. So I have accepted his application, and I have also given my acceptance and my recognition that he is considered as a member of the National People's Party with immediate effect.